Hello everyone, in this video I will show you how to use the DISM and SFC repair commands in Windows. First, click the Start button, type command prompt, then right-click it and choose Run as Administrator. When the window opens, you are ready to start. We will begin with DISM. In the command prompt, type the command DISM/online/cleanupimage/check health. Press Enter and wait. This command checks if the system image is damaged. Now type DISM/online/cleanupimage/scan health. This command performs a deeper scan. It may take several minutes. When it finishes, type the final command DISM/online/cleanupimage/restorehealth. This step repairs the problems that were found. After DISM finishes, it is a good idea to run the SFC command. In the same command prompt window, type SFC/scannow. Press Enter. This scan can also take several minutes. With both DISM and SFC finished, restart your computer. After the restart, your system should run more smoothly and errors should be reduced. Thanks for watching.